What if ancient cultures were already activating something we're only beginning to understand? Very ancient cultures. Across these cultures, specific sound sequences were used to connect with the sacred, not as entertainment. They were coherent structures, technologies of transformation, opening memory and insight that could not be accessed through ordinary consciousness to connection, healing, awakening, insight, balance, resolution, and the numinous, accessing DNA responses, and as a resource stability in times of uncertainty. These specific sound structures resurface now as the harmonic sound keys. This is the emergence of the special ancient sound system that activates and builds reliable expansion. Gain deeper insights, up-to-date info with the harmonic sound keys. Join the email list to stay connected.